Air France had the special auger effect DNA here, just about a half hour ago or so. Laying out the old conduit. Chemical aerosol conduit, Tony Bear. October 15th. Dumps continue. This old British Airways 283. Yeah, they're really working this patch. Gonna hit her with a little belly sauce, looks like. Air France had the special auger effect DNA here, just about a half hour ago or so. Laying out the old conduit. Chemical aerosol conduit, Tony Bear. Oh yeah, it's very, very busy today. Mixing up that shit. And there's somebody else over us that is not spraying apparently, Tony. Here we got somebody else with a different concoction. Oh, that's old Austrian spray lines. I'll be mixing that magical concoction up with what old British Airways just dumped. Okay, and there's still people who claim to be activists that still say these short trails are Conrails. Well, that is complete bullshit. Nothing should be coming out of any of these planes. They can haze up the sky real nice just with that shit alone. But anyhow, I don't know if you can see the frequencies over there. It's pretty smoggy. They moved that patch out. This patch is clear back there. She's on her way out. Tony, I thought I wasn't going to film any of these effing criminals today, Tony. Anything magical coming out of that belly? I couldn't see. Just dirty aerosols. Yeah. He's pretty much on track with old 283, according to my guesstimation of where my camera was going. So, definitely mixing up some bullshit. Anyhow. Alright, British Airways 283 and who the hell did I say? Austrian. Yeah. I documented, but we've done that enough. Hum Mac. Not gonna eat your food, Tony? Are you on hunger strike, Tony, till they stop spraying? Some delicious roast beef chunks, Tony. My kids aren't feeling good. I wonder why, kids. Looks like Mac ate all his meat chunks. It's a handsome boy. Handsome old guy. Hey, Mac.